That's what happens when you sleep with a matching. Oh yeah. And that's what happens.
Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Razor again for a Path of Exile video. Now, this is probably going to be the last Path of Exile video until the next season drops, or the next league, as they're called. So for now, this is probably going to be the last one of Path of Exile, but I want to go ahead and show you guys a little thing I did. I was hunting for a certain divination card called the Spark and the Flame. Now, this drops on the Atoll map, and I believe it also drops on. I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. But this is loot from 50 Atoll maps. It's a tier 1 map, pretty easy to run, just pretty much left, middle, right, boss. It's that simple. You pick up some unique, you pick up your currency, you do your syndicates, all the good stuff. It's pretty easy and pretty fun. But yeah, map returns were huge with the amount we spent. We spent in total roughly around 25 chaos for all the maps, and these were just Alk and Go maps. These weren't sextoned, these weren't chiseled, nothing like that. I wasn't going to invest that much into hunting this divination card, really. It was just to see if I could get it within 50. Didn't get it. But we do have a few cards. I'll scroll over here. So you guys can see we did get a void and a couple gamblers, a couple more gamblers. The rest of this is just from the map itself and from Diviner's Strongbox. So yeah, big things, big I guess currency you could say we got was 15 chaos, 30 some odd alks. We got Breachstone here. That was from the syndicates. We did get a lot of jewelers. I mean, a lot of jewelers. Got 2 stack decks, an annulment orb. Um, Pretty much, yeah. Remnants of corruption, some essences. We got ourselves some reliquary scarabs, some shapers, some breach scarabs. Basic good stuff. But I do have another stash tab here to go over so let me go ahead and pop on over to this. So yeah, we did manage to drop 6-socket Wings of Entropy, which is still bad, but it's cool. Thought it was cool. We got a really good Death's Harp here. It's 124 out of 125, so it's really good. I can just bless the implicit there, the increased critical strike chance. Got one of these Harmonic Spirit Shields, Soul Spike, or Soul Strike, yeah. We got some Dark Revectors. They're not the best, but I thought maybe, if we Vow them, we'll get +1 Frenzy charges, right? No, we're not. We're not. So it's just, yeah. Didn't get a good String of Servitude. We got Divination Distillate, which is pretty bad from what I remember. No, maybe. It's pretty bad, but Bated Breath, meh. Some rings for, the usual stuff. We did get this, though. This right here is a big item. Might of the Meek. It's around, I think, 100, 120 chaos. So this is pretty cool. Just profit just from doing maps. Most of these gems aren't really worth anything more than a chaos other than that. So yeah, all in all, we probably profited. We invested like, say, 25, 30 chaos into these maps, and we're probably walking out of here with about 3 exalts worth of just loot and currency and maps and stuff. But let's go ahead and finish off the video with a couple gamblers and a void, because there's nothing really else we can really gamble with. I mean, yeah, nothing really. I did slam that there. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and see what we can get. Doctor? No, crap. Loyalty and Headhunter. No, feels bad. Alright, so that's probably going to be my last video for the rest of this league. I did show you guys my darkness farming character. I usually always run one for delve fossils and stuff very early on in the league. It's usually my first character. Very good for easy money. We do have tornado shot. We do have, our quantity is 64, which is, I believe, 2 off with this not being 20% and this, or it's something else that has only one less. But yeah, this is our gear. Maybe whenever it goes to standard, I'll val some of it. Maybe make a video out of that. Like maybe val my Wind Ripper or my Rigwald Squills or something. Because I do have 3 of these Rigwald Squills in standard. So yeah, this one's not a bad one. It's only at 46% though. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later. And I'm back. So sorry about that. Almost forgot. We have 2 stacked decks here. Now, I always open these, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna add this onto the video here. I'm sorry, I didn't do this in the beginning, but we're just gonna click them, move away, and then we'll see what we got here. The Witch and the Wolf Shadow. Nothing really good. I don't think this is any good, really. But yeah, just thought I'd throw this in here. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
I want to go, so take me to Neverland.